call you in the recess time, so you must be hungry. Can we have some snacks here and tea and coffee? Shocked. Okay. So it was brought, and the teacher said, tell me, what are the problems you are facing with the school? What are the problems you are facing with what are your hobbies? What you enjoy doing? इससे गपशप बातें करते. And slowly they got into their comfort zone. And ultimately, the student says that every time we try to raise our hand, we are not acknowledged. And nobody is paying attention to us. So what do? We talk amongst them, we laugh, we crack jokes, and then we are picked up in the class and labeled. And we are labeled. Now, this very thing I suggested to the principal, every week start engaging them. And don't show any emotional reactions. Don't induce guilt and shame in them. That you are bringing bad name to the school, you are bringing bad name, you are harassing your teachers, you are harassing your parents. I don't like this. If you fail, the grades of my school will come down. No, nothing of that sort. But ask them how they would like to contribute to the school. And each one had some fantastic ideas. And you will be surprised that ultimately they turned out to be one of the best students in the school. So, rather than getting into authoritative, we have to work on improving our relationships with our children, with our students. Teachers need to improve their relationships with their students. Parents need to improve their relationship with them. We are not focusing. We want the ranks, but we don't want to see what is happening to our relationship with our own children. What is important? The relationship is important, or is becoming doctor or an engineer is important? Your relationship with your child as the child. And you don't want the child to mature. You don't want your child to grow. You don't want the child to live a life which is self-directed than directed by you. Are you omnipotent? आप जिंदगी भर जीने वाले हो? My father is not there here to look me what I am. And many of us would not have parents saying what you are doing right now. So why I am asking questions, why you are so much focused on your children, and in the process, you have got defocused on your life, where you have not learned to calm down your anxiety. सब समस्याएं है कि चिंता, बच्चा पढ़ेगा नहीं तो क्या होगा, अच्छा इंसान नहीं बनाना है, मेरे रिश्ते मेरे बच्चे से अच्छे नहीं बनने चाहिए, but what? He should become engineer, CA, chartered accountant, MBA, and he should earn more. And we give them lectures. Remember, what you tell, what you teach is not imbibed nor inspires your children or students. What you practice and what you do inspires and motivates your children. Are you getting me? What teachers tell, what teachers scream, what teachers preach, what parents preach, what elder brothers and grandparents preach. The grandfather has a short temper. वो बात बात में गुस्से हो जाते और फिर उनका प्रोपुत्र होता है, उसको बोलता है गुस्सा मत कर। अभी संभव है? इसको मैं पागलपन बोलता हूं, और वो मानते नहीं, हम पागल नहीं है। वो आके मुझे बोले कि आपको ट्रीटमेंट की जरूरत है। अच्छा भाई, मैं ट्रीटमेंट लेता ही रहूंगा, क्योंकि मुझे ग्रो होना है। सो आई ऑलवेज वेलकम क्रिटिसिज्म, एंड इफ क्रिटिसिज्म इज गोइंग टू मेक मी, help me grow, if criticism is going to help me become more mature. But what has happened in 2017 is parents have stopped to grow. On the contrary, the graph is going down. They are becoming more materialism. They are under parental peer pressure. अभी एक और नई बात आ गई, बच्चों का तो peer pressure वाली बात चलती थी हमारे जमाने में, आपके जमाने में भी चली होगी, पर अभी एक नई बात आ गई है, parental peer pressure. वो क्या है? पेरेंट्स ग्रुप बने हैं। बने हैं क्या? नहीं, व्हाट्सएप में बने हैं ग्रुप। एंड नो सूनर दे बाय अ न्यू स्मार्टफोन, ओ स्मार्टफोन, अ ब्यूटीफुल नेकलेस, अरे यू आर इन अ हैमर सिटिंग, एंड व्हाट्सएप पे सेल्फी निकाल के भेज दिया ग्रुप में। एंड व्हेन द हस्बैंड कम्स होम, what see the people are enjoying, they bought a new car, they bought this, that is, what are you up to? होता है, मैंने देखा है, मेरे पास क्लाइंट्स आते, मैं हवा में फेंक नहीं रहा हूं। एक सोसाइटी में सबने बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियां खरीदी, एक बंदे ने भी खरीद ली। अभी उसे जरूर है कि नहीं उसको पता नहीं। स्टेटस। अभी क्या हो गया है? द पैकिंग इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन द कंटेंट। चरित्र का कोई मोल रहा ही नहीं। अरे आप जो हो अपने अंदर झांको जरा, और उसके लिए क्या चाहिए? यू टू ग्रो योर सेल्फ। Unless and until you become calm, unless and until you learn to cool down, if you don't take this pain to cool down, take a pledge today. See, if your child is not eating, is he going to die? I get parents, 1 बजे 1:30 बजे स्कूल से आते, 4 बजे तक उसको खिलाने में मेरा टाइम चला जाता है, मैं इतनी व्यस्त रहती हूँ। I gave them a simple thing, put the food at 1:30, half an hour, 2 o'clock food has to be taken away. और बेचारों भूखे रहता। How will he grow? There is the natural instinct. If he feels hungry, he'll go eat anything. ठंडा भी खा लेगा, कल का भी खा लेगा। पर हमारी एंजाइटी है ना, चिंता हमको है, उसको चिंता नहीं। और फिर आप चिंता करोगे तो वो चिंता क्यों करे? और अगर वो चिंता करे तो उससे बड़ा पागल कोई नहीं। अगर वो अपने बारे में सोचने लगे तो उससे बड़ा पागल कोई नहीं। बराबर है कि नहीं? उसका होमवर्क, मम्मी क्या पढ़ना है, मम्मी असाइनमेंट क्या करना है, उसकी चिंता जिस दिन वो करना बंद कर दे तो बड़ी पागल वो। और ऐसी इंसेनिटी हम बढ़ा रहे, हमारा धंधा बढ़ रहा है। गुड, कीप द वे यू आर डूइंग इट, आई विल प्रॉस्पर, मोर काउंसलर्स विल प्रॉस्पर। और मेरी हालत तो ऐसे, सुबह में उठे भगवान से प्रार्थना भी नहीं कर सकता हूं कि मेरी प्रैक्टिस बढ़े, नहीं तो बद्दुआ लगेगी लोगों को। सो एक प्रोग्रामिंग हमारा ऐसा हुआ है, विच इज अ फॉल्टी प्रोग्रामिंग, दैट यू शुड फुलफिल इन एनी रिलेशन नीड्स ऑफ अदर, मेक अदर्स हैप्पी एंड लिव फॉर अदर्स। And that is a module we have imbibed from our earlier generation, and we have continued it, and now we consider, that is what I say, that we are not responsible, we don't assume responsibility for what our children, but we are responsible for our children. So ये context में paradox में बोल रहा हूं, कि वी आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल किस तरह से? वी आर नॉट देयर टू मेक देम हैप्पी, वी आर नॉट देयर टू मेक देम appease, we are them, what, how we are responsible to see that they grow, they mature, they understand pain के बिना कोई gain नहीं मिलता है. If they don't follow the space and the place that has been given by the authority, how will they grow? And if you don't allow your children to grow, who are their biggest enemies? बच्चों के सबसे बड़े दुश्मन कौन है? अगर बच्चा ग्रो नहीं करता है, मैच्योर नहीं होता है, परिपक्व नहीं होता है, तो इसके लिए जिम्मेदार मैं हूं? कदापि नहीं. कौन जिम्मेदार है बताओ? मैं तो सोता समझदार लोगों के सामने में बैठा हूं. कौन जिम्मेदार है? अगर इफ योर चाइल्ड डजंट बिकम अ सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड, गोल डायरेक्टेड, मैच्योर इंडिविजुअल, डजंट नो व्हाट इज राइट एंड व्हाट इज रॉन्ग, because you don't allow them to make choices. You take them to a showroom and ask him, buy this thing, and ultimately the child brings a funny color, a green color, or a very dark yellow color. That is his choice. आओ तो लेवा दो उसे. और कुछ मम्मी तो बड़ी समझदार होती है, लेबल देखती है धीरे से, इतना भाव क्या है, नहीं नहीं ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Very smart. We as parents have mastered, but children are more smarter. They have seen the price before they. So, integrity of your between you, the trust factor between you and your child. What are you doing to that? Knowingly or unknowingly? ये trust factor क्या क्या होता है? टूटता है क्या बनता है? Now same things happens. This is your room. पिंकी ये तेरी रूम है. Now what you have to do every day after she goes to school and go and find out what is in the room. And do you think that she'll not know that somebody has gone? ना नहीं, तो काम वाली गई होगी ना, उसने कुछ किया होगा, मैं नहीं गई. क्या बेवकूफ समझाए ये जनरेशन को. So this is why you are entering their space. When you say this room belongs to it, whether it is in mess, it is of garbage, why you want to go and clean it? If she desires, he has decided to live in that garbage, let him live. What is your problem? One day he or she will get tired of the stink, will get tired of not being able to find the things. But then also she knows that मम्मी मुझे ये नहीं मिल रहा है, चिल्ला रही है, शोर बजा रही. But you will come upstairs. मैंने कितनी बार बोला है सही रख नहीं. Why you get engaged? Keep calm, keep continuing doing your work. You find it. If you don't get it, I'm not going to buy a new one. So consistency in parenting and disciplining in the school is very important. Once you say I'm not going to clean your room, you are not going to. बट नहीं, टुमारो तो अंकल आने वाले, मेरी छवि कैसी हो? सो यू आर वरीड अबाउट योर सेल्फ ओनली. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई कॉल बोरोड सेल्फ एस्टीम. मैं एक अच्छी पत्नी हूं, अच्छी होम मेकर हूं, by just showing them. Similarly, the faith in God. Do your prayers, have yourself faith in God, but don't push your children. Let them have an experience with the God, with the trust factor, with the faith, be imbibed by them on their own. And that is how they'll develop trust in God, in elderly people. But at very tender age of 2 years, 3 years, मामा है, जय स्वामी नारायण बोल, जय श्री कृष्ण बोल, पगे लाग. You want to create robots? Are there pet dogs that you can train them? And if you continue to train them this way, when they graduate and take up a job, they'll have lot of problems. And there you cannot go and fix up their problems. Because now in multinationals, in schools, you are not allowed to go and fix up the problems the teacher is facing with the authorities. Parents cannot. Parents cannot indulge into the affairs of any institute. So who has to fix, who will face the consequences then? So doesn't it make a good idea that let them fail in first standard, second standard, primary section, let them face the natural consequences of their behavior, and later on they learn from mistakes. Maturity is learning from mistakes. But if you don't allow them to mistakes early in the childhood, in the school, in early parenting, how are they going to mature? Unless and until they face the natural consequences of their behavior and consistently. That is, I don't say that you become very permissive. I never say you become very permissive. You don't have to be permissive. But calmness. Anytime your child is angry, shouting, screaming, do you think you are a reflection, you are a mirror? You should do the same thing? You should cry, you should whine, you should shout. This is what I call scream-free parenting. The other day I was seeing a client. This was this single mother handling a 17-year-old daughter. And she was very upset about the behavior of the girl because she was getting aggressive, she was crossing her limits. Each day she was engaging her into conflicts. Each morning they both would quarrel, and ultimately the woman who had a working potential was going down. The grades of the daughter in the school were going down. And I said, you start coming to me, and I started management of anxiety levels, bringing the anxiety levels of the mother down. And I taught him what is important is how to control your emotional reactivity. हम लोग इमोशनल ज्यादा हो जाते हैं. बच्चा चिल्लाता है, रोता है, हमको इमोशनली ब्लैकमेल करता है. Why you want to react? हमको प्रतिक्रिया क्यों देनी है? और उसी तरह से प्रतिक्रिया जो वो कर रहे हैं. Are we the mirror image? तो हम में और so our children have mastered the art to get us into regression. Regression मतलब क्या? हमको भी बच्चा बना देते हैं. हम भी झगड़ते हैं उसकी तरह ही. तू मैं pointing the fingers. And then one day I realized, oh, I am doing the same thing. What do the heroines and heroes and the villains do in the movie? Fingering is a very bad civilization. It's a very, very bad form of culture. And you are doing that. If the child is throwing the things, I have seen father who throw his mobile. And next day he'll buy a new one. Inconsistency. Now this lady, one day the girl comes, they all have decided, one of the parents were going out on a tour and her friend was all by herself. So they decided to have a night out. आजकल ये चला है. Night out. अच्छी बात है नाइट आउट हमारे जमाने में बच्चों के लिए होता था. But that was supervised night out. ये तो मम्मी नहीं है बंगला है वो सब. Obviously this lady already a case of anxiety, single mother. Anxiety तो होएगी. Very natural for a mother to feel anxious. Now the same thing started. I am going to go. Mommy says no. And then suddenly, oh, it struck to her that whenever such issues arise, my psychiatrist has asked to talk to me. And she picked up the phone. I got a 10 o'clock in the night, I get a call. Sir, can I have some 5 minutes, 2 minutes? Yes, I committed to you. Now, this commitment of our professionals is very important. We think 100 times before committing. I said, okay, well, what happened? This is what it is. Madam, what did I tell you? In such situations, calm yourself down. Yes, sir, that is what exactly. I am about to lose my control over my anger. I want my daughter to grow and I want to mature myself. But I am at a peak of throwing a tantrums and hitting her hard. I want to pull down. So can you please talk to me? I want to share my worry. And she shared. I love my child so much. And I trust my daughter, but I don't trust the world. And if she's going to be out for 2 nights, I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to be very unpeaceful. And you have said to remain calm, remain calm. And she talked me for 10 minutes and I said, how are you feeling? I said, oh, at least I could vent out something. I'm feeling better. Now these kids are very smart. No sooner she had gone into a room and was talking to me on the phone, she was listening all the conversation. My part of the conversation was not being heard. But what the mother was talking, that I'm working on myself to control my anger, to calm down, I love my child. Oh. And no sooner mother turned back, she ran away. And she went downstairs. And what she sees is